Okay, so we're back. We let a time lapse happen by shutting off the camera because editing is too much for me. At any rate, so we've waited about actually probably 10-15 minutes instead of the 20. But you can still get a good idea of how to do this. So now remember we had marked the first shadow. So your second shadow, your first shadow is always west. Your second shadow is east. Always, okay? So if you need to, put down an E next to it. What you're gonna do, because when I marked this, I knew that the top of the shadow was at the top of the rock, and I'm going to the top of that second shadow. Okay, you want something that's actually really pretty straight. I'm using a stick. If you think you can draw a nice straight line, then do it. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a perpendicular line, so you have a nice cross. Now if your stick's a little off center, keep that one in mind if there's a slight curve, because that can influence it. Then you've got your west, your east, which automatically makes this north and this south. And now you've got a nice line of which direction you want to go. To give you an idea, that's pretty good. So there's your north, that way. So this one works well too if you've got a really good sunny day. If I impart anything, it's once you get your north bearing, find something that's in the north, walk to it, and then get a bearing again. Walking an hour is not going to do it. It's if you want to keep in a straight line, you take your bearing, you go to the next spot, you take your bearing, you go to the next spot. So, recap, we've got the 3-foot stick with the sun, first shadow, always west. All right, you should be able to get your east, north, and south off of that. You've got your analog watch, little hand to the sun, split the difference to the 12, that's your north. And then you've got the needle in water. And that one, magnetized, always run it one way, it's got to be on silk. Run it one direction each time, the smaller the leaf, drop it on, and let it glide towards north. So I hope this helps you out. Good luck.